With G2 Microsystems low-power Wi-Fi solutions, internet connectivity can easily be added to any device, even a battery-powered device. To simplify design effort and reduce time to market, G2 has developed a fully calibrated Wi-Fi module that has been pre-certified for FCC, CE and Wi-Fi certification. G2 has created several technology demonstrations that leverage Intel's recently announced MyWi-Fi personal area network. With MyWi-Fi, a Centrino 2 laptop can connect with up to 8 consumer devices and simultaneously access the internet through an access point. G2's audio streaming demonstration includes Wi-Fi headphones and speakers. For this demonstration, we took off-the-shelf consumer devices and retrofitted them with the G2 module. Here is a G2 Wi-Fi module sitting on G2's audio streaming board that adds MPEG decode and audio buffering. This board was retrofitted into one side of the headphones, leaving the other side for two AAA alkaline batteries. This Centrino 2 laptop is running a Shoutcast audio server and streams audio to the headphones directly, no access point required. The headphones should get over 20 hours of listening time, comparable to Bluetooth, yet you can enjoy the full range of Wi-Fi, allowing you to roam throughout your house with uninterrupted, high-quality stereo sound.
Of course is to simply hold your horses. To rush would be a crime.
The PC speaker system demonstration is very similar. The same audio streaming board was mounted inside the subwoofer of this PC speaker system, making the speaker system stand alone and allowing you to stream audio from a laptop that is located across the room or across the house.
He does it, nice and easy does it.